Good morning, narito na kami uli ni Lois, lalabas uli kami. Pero, bago kami lumabas, first time kong mag-celebrate ng birthday dito sa India, sa labas. Bago namin ipakita sa iyo yung pupuntahan namin, share namin muna sa inyo yung birthday celebration ko dito sa India. Ayan, di ba? Nasaya ng birthday ko. Ang dami-dami naki-birthday. At take note, sila pa bumili ng cake para sa akin. Sa likuran ko yung bus na sasakyan namin papunta sa Sanchi, isang Buddhist temple. Kaya samahan nyo kami sa papunta namin doon.
And then she said,
What is that? Video yan eh. Ah, video? Dito na kami sa Sanchi. Dito na kami mag-lakwatsa.
I used to think that
Welcome
I
to
could
Sanchi.
not go on, and life was nothing but another song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting arms. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, then there's nothing to it. And I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. And I believe I can fly. And I believe I can fly.
kalabaw at ng baka. Ginagamit nilang parang panggatong sa kalan nila. Medyo wala na siyang amoy kasi tuyo na. Pero kapag katulad nito, nabasa pa, maamoy pa siya. Ito, tuyo na.